Process engineering is getting as much time as you can get out of a machine and the person in the 8-hour period. So that might require us to take out a step here where it'll take out 2 steps down the line, or add 1 step that'll take out a step down the line that's hard on somebody else to do. My whole career here has been building something, where it's building a rack, building a table, installing cabinets, or pouring concrete. I'm not big about sitting in an office. I'd rather be outside working with my hands. I just like the whole aspect of constructing something instead of hassling the fab shop when they've got a million things to do. I can go in there and build it and be done with it in about a day. My favorite thing to do is welding. I like the smell it gives off when burning metal together. The weld just be red hot and just fuse everything together. The sparks that go everywhere. Make something out of a straight piece of metal to a rack where you can hold up hundreds and hundreds of pounds off of 1 weld. I enjoy talking to people. That's one of the benefits of the job I'm at now. Because it takes me all over the plant, I get to talk to all kinds of people. The older people really pique my interest because of all the lessons and stories they have to tell. Might learn nothing from it, might be something to laugh at, or it might be something that I'll think about for a long time and build off of that.